Welcome to this tutorial for the Smart USB Dongle from Smart Sensor Devices. My name is Emil Lindblom, software developer at Smart Sensor Devices, and I'm going to help you get started using our Smart USB Dongle. In this tutorial we're going to set up the dongle using Python script to scan for nearby Bluetooth devices. Open up the command prompt in the directory where the script is located. Start the script by typing Python, then a space, then the name of the script file, like this. Then press Enter. You should now be prompted to choose between three options: scan without time limit, scan with time limit, or scan a specific device's advertising data. The first option will not need any additional input and will start scanning straight away. While the second option requires you to input a number representing the time in seconds the scan should continue. The third option requires an address to the desired Bluetooth device, which we can get from the other two options and just copy and paste that. And that is how we scan for Bluetooth devices. If you want to stop the script, you can simply press Ctrl+C. That concludes this tutorial. For more information and tutorials, be sure to visit our online manual. Thank you for watching.